Welcome to Luxury Car TV, your ultimate destination for classic elegance, muscle power, and premium automotive storytelling from every era. The 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu SS stands tall as one of the most iconic American muscle cars ever created. A true reflection of the golden age of Detroit muscle, this car blended raw power, timeless design, and mechanical simplicity into a package that still captivates enthusiasts today. This specific model year marked the end of an era, making the 1972 Chevelle SS a collector's favorite and a symbol of high-performance heritage. Under the hood, the 1972 Chevelle Malibu SS offered a range of powerful engine options. The most notable and desirable was the 454 cubic inch V8 engine. This big block monster produced up to 270 horsepower in its LS5 version, delivering tremendous torque and thrilling straight-line performance. While lower output engines like the 350 V8 and 307 V8 were also available, the 454 equipped SS models were the crown jewels of the lineup. With the right setup, this car could sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 6 seconds, which was a remarkable feat for the time. The transmission choices complemented the powerful engine lineup perfectly. Buyers could choose between a 3-speed or 4-speed manual transmission or opt for the smooth shifting turbo hydraulic automatic transmission. This gave drivers the flexibility to enjoy the car in a more performance-oriented or cruising configuration, depending on their preferences. The design of the 1972 Chevelle Malibu SS remained largely consistent with previous years but included a few unique visual updates. This was the last model year before the federally mandated 5 miles per hour bumper regulations came into effect, so the car retained its clean, muscular front and rear appearance. The dual headlamp setup, domed hood, and SS badging on the grille and rear panel made it instantly recognizable. The SS also came with a blacked-out grille, special wheels, and available rally stripes that enhanced its sporty image inside. The Malibu SS was a blend of comfort and sportiness. The cabin offered bucket seats with optional center console, an SS-specific instrument cluster, and vinyl upholstery. Drivers enjoyed a straightforward dashboard layout with easy-to-read gauges and basic controls, a reflection of the simplicity and function-driven design of that era. While it didn't have the technology we see in modern performance cars, the interior delivered everything needed for an engaging and enjoyable driving experience. Suspension and braking were also well-suited to the performance goals of the SS. The car came standard with front disc brakes and a heavy-duty suspension setup, providing improved handling and stopping power. Despite being a large and heavy car by today's standards, the 1972 Chevelle SS delivered a surprisingly agile ride for a muscle car, with solid road feel and enough precision to handle spirited driving. Another standout feature of the 1972 Chevelle SS was its customizability. Chevrolet offered a wide range of options, allowing buyers to tailor their cars to their exact desires. From exterior colors and vinyl roof choices to performance gear ratios and upgraded interior materials, no two Chevelle SS models had to be exactly the same. This added a unique level of personality to each vehicle, something many enthusiasts still appreciate when hunting for their perfect classic ride. As emissions regulations and insurance premiums began to take a toll on the muscle car segment, the 1972 model year marked the final appearance of the Chevelle SS as a true performance variant. After this year, horsepower ratings began to decline and design priorities shifted, making this model one of the last great expressions of unrestrained American muscle before the oil crisis and new laws reshaped the industry. Today, the 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu SS holds a special place in the hearts of car collectors and muscle car fans. Its combination of aggressive looks, powerful engines, and classic American character make it a standout both on the road and at car shows. Whether it's the roar of the big block engine or the nostalgic design that grabs your attention, there's no denying the enduring appeal of this legendary muscle machine. Thanks for watching, and if you love classic muscle cars and legendary automotive machines, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more high-octane features every week.